In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Airtable interfaces. If you've been curious about Airtable and how to make the most of its features, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and get you up and running with the list view interface. First, you'll want to navigate to Airtable's website, open up your web browser and simply type in airtable.com. Once you reach the homepage, the next thing you'll do is click on the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for this video, I'm assuming you're ready to go ahead and sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your existing Airtable account. Once you've signed in, click on Continue to proceed to your project dashboard. Here, you'll see a display of all your bases. This is where your databases live, and today we'll focus on altering one of these bases to feature the list view. Select the base table you want to change into a list view. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct base, as each serves a different function depending on your organizational needs. Afterwards, locate the Interfaces option in the menu. Clicking on Interfaces will bring you to a new screen that provides various options for customizing your data view. This is a powerful feature for when you want to create a more visual experience of your data. Now you'll see a button labeled Start Building. Click on this button to kickstart the process of creating your interface. Once you've started, the next step is to select Build an Interface. This is where you can define exactly how you want your data to be displayed. You'll be prompted to click Next. At this point, you might see various prompts or fields you need to fill out. Follow the guide, making sure you're setting everything according to your specific preferences and requirements. Click Next once more to continue through the setup process. Finally, the journey culminates in the last step. Click on Finish and voila, you now have a list view interface ready in Airtable. This will allow you to interact with your data in a completely new and more insightful way, offering a streamlined approach to managing your information. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to utilize the list view in Airtable interfaces. Remember, with tools like Airtable, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and explore the various means through which you can optimize your data management tasks. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.